Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to change PHP memory limit in WordPress. So to do this you need to have a cPanel. So once you have the cPanel access and you log into your cPanel, just go to files and open file manager. This will open the file manager in the new tab, and in the file manager make sure you open this file public_html. Under public_html you have to open this folder here, which is WP includes. And in this folder you have to find a file named default constants. I'll show you, it will be mostly after this class files. Default, there you go, this is the file. Just select and click on edit button here, click on edit again, and here you'll have to change the PHP WP memory limit to 120 instead of 64. So once you change this to 120, it's done. I'll change both this limit from 64 to 120, and once you do that, click on save. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.